And to end tonight's emotional rollercoaster, presenting the final award. It's another special award which will be presented by Chris Cormack, whom you've already met tonight. So please join me in welcoming Chris back up to the stage.
Kia ora anō e te whānau. As soon as I start talking, you're going to figure out who I'm talking about, so I'm not going to try and be sneaky, I'm just going to launch straight into it. So, ngā mihi nui kia koe, Lillian, mō tō whānau, mō koutou mahi tino whakahirahira, mō te iwi Māori, mō Aotearoa katoa hoki. This again is a project that transcends categories. There was no one place, like it could have been across most of the categories tonight. It's a project that has a huge potential to make a massive amount of changes in people's lives. Those of us who are in the open source community often talk of freedom and how by using free and open source licenses, we allow developers and users to be free in what they do with the software. This project takes it even further, and using open source software to deliver the teaching of skills that not only provide for greater possibility of future employment and financial security, but also allowing people to reconnect, or I suspect, in many cases, connect with their taha wairua, taha Māori hoki. By providing women in prison the opportunity to learn weaving, the project helps to lift and care for the mana wahine of these wahine, helping to repair the damage to their kiritau, and in time, hopefully providing real freedom. E ki ana te whakatauki, whiria te tangata ka puta he oranga, whiria ngā mahi toi ka puta he tino rangatiratanga. So it is with great pleasure that I award this a special award to Lillian Hetet Owen me tōna whānau hoki.
Tēnā koe, Chris, a tēnā rā koutou katoa. E hui mai nei, e tēnei pō kanui te mihi ki a koutou. Thank you, Catalyst, for this wonderful event. Our whole whānau turned out tonight because we thought it was a great opportunity to come to an awards ceremony, which we've never done before, and spend some time together and enjoy a nice meal. This is a complete surprise. I've shed a little tear because I was thinking, as Chris was talking, about a young woman named Marae who made some bad choices in her life. And tonight, we're here enjoying this lovely evening. She's half an hour away behind double gates and locked doors. 4 months ago, Marae heard about a pilot project for weaving, and she had always wanted to learn Māori weaving. So she put her hand up, and she turned up to the meeting that my sister Veronal, who teaches the course, and I were at with some of the prison staff and their tutors in their secure online learning suite. not realising that she was going to be having to use a computer and learn this stuff online. She didn't want to do that. She never wanted to go to that secure online learning suite, and she didn't want to. All she wanted to do was learn to weave. 4 months later, she is learning to weave, but more importantly, she loves the secure online learning suite. She loves learning. She's your end user. It's because of you people that Marae has connection with the outside world, and as Chris said, with herself and her tupuna and her culture. So thank you. Thank you all for your generosity and your aroha. Kia ora.